Perfect rice shouldn't require guesswork, a stopwatch, or crossed fingers. A good rice cooker takes care of timing and temperature, so your jasmine, basmati, or brown rice comes out fluffy and consistent every time. In this video to the best rice cookers, we'll break down the key features: capacity, fuzzy logic settings, keep warm performance, and ease of cleaning, so you can choose the right one for your kitchen. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the COMFEE Compact 4-Cup Rice Cooker. If you want a simple, space-saving cooker that still covers your everyday staples, the COMFEE Compact 4-Cup Rice Cooker is built to make small meal cooking easier. It offers 6 digital one-touch programs: white rice, brown rice, steam, slow cook, quinoa, and oatmeal, so you can do more than just basic rice without juggling extra pots. Despite its compact size, you get an 8-cup cooked capacity, which is plenty for a few portions, quick lunches, or side dishes for dinner. It's a great fit when you're cooking for yourself, a couple, or anyone who wants a reliable cooker that won't dominate the countertop. The digital panel and LED display keep operations straightforward. You choose a program, press start, and the cooker takes it from there, automatically switching to keep warm for up to 12 hours. The 12-hour delay timer also helps you plan meals around your schedule, so food is ready when you actually need it. Cleanup is designed to be low effort. The stainless steel exterior wipes down quickly, and the non-stick inner pot helps prevent stuck-on mess. Even better, the inner pot and included accessories are dishwasher safe, so you spend less time scrubbing. For peace of mind, it includes overheating protection, bisphenol A-free food-grade materials, and a cool touch handle to help you open and carry it safely. It's a practical everyday cooker that keeps cooking and cleanup stress-free. At number 4, CUCKOO Micom 6-Cup Rice Cooker. If you want a dependable rice cooker that can handle everyday meals and bigger batches for guests, the CUCKOO Micom 6-Cup Rice Cooker is a practical kitchen upgrade. With a 6-cup uncooked capacity, you can prep enough rice for family dinners, meal prep, or gatherings without running multiple cycles. It also includes a measuring cup and rice spatula, so you can get started right away and keep portions consistent. You're not limited to basic white rice either. This cooker is built for variety, letting you make glutinous white rice, brown rice, oats, and even baby food when you need gentle, simple textures. The adjustable settings and straightforward controls make it easy to switch between different dishes so you can match your cooking to your routine. Quick weekday bowls, healthier grain meals, or softer foods for little ones. Cleanup stays simple, which matters when you're cooking often. The non-stick inner pot helps prevent stubborn sticking, and the removable lid makes it easier to reach the spots that usually get ignored. There's also a self-clean setting to help refresh the inside between uses so your cooker stays ready for the next batch. With reliable corded power and a user-friendly design, you get consistent results and less kitchen hassle, especially when rice is a regular part of your meals. Number 3, we have the Cosori 10-Cup Rice Cooker. If you want a rice cooker that can keep up with busy weeks and bigger appetites, the Cosori 10-Cup Rice Cooker is designed to make meals easier and more consistent. You get 18 cooking functions, so you're not locked into one kind of rice. You can choose from multiple white and brown rice options with texture settings, plus programs for grains, oats, steamed vegetables, slow-cooked soups, and even sautéed flavored rice. Great when you want variety without extra cookware. The key feature is fuzzy logic. Instead of you guessing the right timing or heat, it automatically adjusts a 7-step cooking process based on what you're making. That means you're more likely to get fluffy, evenly cooked results whether you're new to cooking or you've been meal prepping for years. For convenience, you can set a 24-hour delay timer so dinner is ready when you are, then rely on the 24-hour keep warm function to hold rice at serving temperature without hovering in the kitchen. And when time is tight, the quick rice mode uses 1000 watts of power to speed up cooking for white rice. Helpful on rushed evenings when you still want good texture and taste. Cleanup is simpler too, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. Overall, it's a practical choice when you want dependable rice, flexible meal options, and less daily kitchen stress. At number 2, Toshiba Mini 3-Cup Rice Cooker. If you want one compact cooker that can handle more than just rice, the Toshiba Mini 3-Cup Rice Cooker gives you a surprisingly flexible setup for everyday cooking. With 8 cooking functions: white rice, quick cook, brown rice, mixed grain, slow cook, porridge, cake, and egg, you can switch from dinner to breakfast without pulling out extra pots. That means soups, stews, oatmeal, and simple one-bowl meals can all happen in the same small appliance. Even though it's mini, it's built for variety. You can cook different rice styles like jasmine, sushi, basmati, white, brown, and wild rice, plus grains like quinoa, mixed grains, and oatmeal. It's a great fit when you want multiple servings but still need something that won't take over your countertop. Ideal for small kitchens, couples, or busy households that like quick, dependable meals. The real convenience comes from fuzzy logic cooking. Instead of you guessing water levels and timing, the cooker senses moisture and automatically adjusts temperature and cook time to match what you're making. You get fluffy, consistent rice with less trial and error, and the same smart adjustments help grains and other dishes cook more evenly too. It runs on corded electric power and is designed for simple hand wash care, so cleanup stays straightforward after every meal. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Zojirushi Micom 3-Cup Rice Cooker. If you want a rice cooker that fits your kitchen and your lifestyle, the Zojirushi Micom 3-Cup Rice Cooker is a smart pick for everyday meals. You can cook as little as half cup of rice, so you're not stuck making extra or dealing with leftovers you didn't want. It also handles oats, which makes it an easy option for quick breakfasts. You get dedicated menu settings designed for the foods you actually cook. The steel-cut oatmeal setting uses a different cooking flow than the standard porridge cycle, so your oats finish faster while still coming out hearty and well-textured. If you're trying to eat healthier, the brown rice activation setting helps you get more out of brown rice by holding the inner pan at around 104 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours before cooking, an approach intended to activate the grain and support a more nutrient-focused bowl. And when long-grain rice is on the menu, the long-grain white setting adjusts the cooking process to match how grains like basmati or jasmine behave, since they cook differently than short or medium-grain rice. The result is rice that turns out more consistent, with less trial and error on your end. With corded electric power and simple hand wash care, it's built to be reliable, easy to live with, and ready whenever hunger hits. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which rice cooker you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.